guys, welcome to my channel. And we're playing Spider-Man.
Grab straight! Grab straight! Grab straight! Oh! Grab straight! Yes! Yes!
Jingoy. Boss?
May padala po si Ate Yafi. Thank you po. Thank you for staying with us. Continue to dance and making contents. Love, Ate Yas. Yes!
Yes!
Yeah.
Take your phone, guys! Guys, hindi ako ganyan kumanta. Dalawa ko lang.
Okay guys, so habang nagkakantahan sila, kainin natin yung binigay na pizza ni Ate Yasi. Yan. It's already like 2 a.m. and we just finished like chilling. So now, we're gonna be watching a movie dito sa theater room nila to end the night. So watch. Hey, good morning you guys. So we just woke up and it's really check out time. We're gonna go and experience swimming here. Tayo's ready. Tayo, you ready? Swimming tayo. To book this place, you need to pay around 45,000 pesos per day. That's quite expensive, of course. But if you're a big group, syempre worth it siya kasi paghahati-hatian nyo. Mas mura pag weekday, mas mahal pag weekday. Now it's time to rate.
I give it a 10 out of 10 kasi ang daming pwedeng gawin. Hindi ka maboboard and talagang makakapag-bonding ka with your family or friends. I like how they're able to maximize your space and it's not feeling very isolated. Great. And you can walk your dogs there. Everything that says 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Parang ka nasa malayo pero nandito ka ng near Manila. Sobrang 10 over 10 talaga. As in, okay siya.
Hello,
10 out of 10 as well,
guys.
because, guys, it is so vibey. Low-key ideal for like an intimate, you know, birthday celebration, you know what I'm saying?
10 out of 10. It's very vibey as well. And not at the same time.
And you like the swimming pool?
Like 5 out of 10.
Wow.
In-exceed niya yung expectations ko. Ang dami niyang magagawa dito. The only thing is that kaya dapat sulitin niyo. So from check-in time to check-out time, dapat sulitin niyo lahat. Kasi dami pwedeng
I'm gonna give this place a 9.5. I mean, alam ko lahat sila 10 just because yun nga, yung price medyo mataas. That's just because of it. Pero lahat ng amenities nila dito, sobrang kakaiba. May sauna, hindi mo makikita sa ibang Airbnb. Meron wall climbing, halos kompleto. So, that's a good thing. And one more thing is yung location niya, sobrang malapit lang sa Metro Manila. I mean, actually sa Metro Manila siya kasi dito lang siya sa around bago mag-Antipolo. So, sobrang good. Alright guys, so we are finally back at home.
We're here at our 4th Airbnb.
Here na tayo. Experiencing all those 3, iba-iba sila. Ang sa akin lang, know the reason why you're booking the place. Like for example, you're booking just because you need the place to sleep. Just book like the cheapest one. And then if you're booking for like a big event, then I think it's okay to book like the affordable one. If you're booking the most expensive one, I guess that's like a big celebration event.
When you have family with you or if you have friends, before you guys book, make sure to always check yung mga reviews so you know how to control your expectation.
Anyway, before Airbnb, if you guys have seen
Promo.
the affordable one, that was our Airbnb.
But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this, you know, comparing this and that, we could go resorts and everything. Just
Flights, hotels.
comment down below. We'll read. Let us know.
Hey guys, we are inside a luxury commuter bus.
In the middle of nowhere.
Since last night, dito na kami tumira.
We tried living in a bus for a day.
And this is what happened. Dito tayo ngayon sa bus motor pool ng Solid North. As you can see naman, sobrang daming bus dito. And ito yung bus at pag-stay natin. Hindi lang tayo yung mag-stay dyan kasi sobrang daming pwede magkasa dyan. Kasama natin ang ating vlog squad niya ang Sen. Andito sila. Alam niyo na ba yung mangyayari? You guys can see the bus over here. Diyan tayo titira hanggang bukas. Ang challenge dyan, once na pumasok na ulit sa bus na yan, hindi na kayo pwedeng lumabas. Okay, so ngayon, bibigyan namin kayo ng oras para i-gather lahat ng mga kailangan nyo i-gather bago pumasok sa bus. So,
Ano ba yun?
lang.
Teka ba?
Bago tayo magpapakilala natin sa inyo, si Sir Kino. Hi, yan. From Solid North siya. Tutulungan niya kami mag-tour dito sa bus nila.
Oh my gosh, it's giving yellow!
So this is our luxury bus going to Baguio, coming from PITX or Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange. Siyempre located in Parañaque. So the bus fare is 850 pesos. It's equipped with CCTV cameras. Sa front, meron din sa back, and meron din sa gilid. And of course, this is Lazy Boy seats because it's luxury class. Plus individual backpack and USB charging ports. And of course, it's also equipped with CR or comfort room. And it comes with company lights lang ang button.
So, almost complete sa pala dito.
Pwede yung kumira ka.
Pag-transport na ako to another port on by. Sige, try mo nga. Ito bang TV na
Meron connected kung may mga speakers.
pwede tayo pwede yung pang-karaoke.
Pwede pang karaoke, pwede pang announcement, public announcement.
Pwede tayo magpag-knowledge dito. Okay guys, so bago tayo pumasok sa bus at tumira sa bus, bumili muna tayo ng mga snacks.
Grabe number.
Nabudol. Alright guys, so ayun, nagdudol lang kami ng samgyup. And maya-maya kakain na kami. So nasa harap kami ng bus. At sakita nyo naman. So hindi pa kami pumapasok kasi kakain muna kami ng dinner. Agaw kami mag-stay sa loob. So let's go. Hindi mo kami pag-ulitin na ngayon.
Parang hindi pang commercial.
Alright guys, so tapos na kami kumain ng samgyup. And ngayon, dala-dala namin yung gamit namin kasi ready na kami pumasok sa bus. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, once na pumasok tayo sa bus, wala nang lalabas.
Okay, wala nang lalabas.
Bakit? Yung pet.
Oh, sticker! Ay, nagreto na ang tutok ka lang. Baka makasakay na ako dito.
Hindi buhay probinsya.
Magkano wala? How much?
Okay, so ito po kami ni Ate Rhea sa room na to. We don't want to be too front and we don't want to be too back.
Kailangan ko ng leg doon kaso may nauna dito sa first story. So, ang gagawin ko na lang siguro, ano ko yung 50 liters sa kabila ko. Kasi ako sa likod kasi. Di ba nasa likod ang makatapit?
Ano masasabi mo sa mga katulad mo sa iyo? Dito ako para marinig nilang lahat kung maganda akong boses.
Hello guys. Officially, wala na ang lalabas. Okay, so ngayon, I'm just gonna let you guys settle down. And later, tignan natin kung anong mga pwede natin gawin. You know what I'm saying? Kaya Bernie, tutulog ka rin dito? May bago tayong challenger.
Kaya Bernie, pakita mo yung hand sign mo dito.
Okay, may mga bagong pasahero.
Isa pang aling sa pasahero. Ready yun. Wala akong ticket. Once pumasok, bawal lang lumabas. Ano pa? Alright, to start things up, we're gonna play a game. So, ang first game natin ay Pass the Message. Alright, so dalawang lines ang gagawin. This one's the first line, this one's the second line. So, first message is this related sa nangyayari ngayon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bababa ka ba?
Ano?
Bababa ako, bababa ka din. Bababa ka ba? Bababa din ako. Tamang sagot ay, bababa ka ba? Bababa din ako. 3, 2, 1, go. 9, 8,
Why di ba?
Oh? Ang napasa sa akin pag may nilaga ka una. Nakakapagpagabagat ka ba? Tamang sagot ay nakakapagpagabag kapag kinakagat ka.
If may nilaga, may ulam.
Sino yung galing?
Ang tawag yung message. 10, 9, 8, 5, go ahead.
The kitten go in the kitchen.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Ang pinasa sa akin na saw kita eating a chicken in the kitchen.
May narinig ko kayo ulit.
I saw a kitten eating a kitchen. The kitchen.
Here on the side rinse. So kasama natin dito ang mag-drive sa atin today, si Kuya Ronald. So mag-road trip lang tayo around NLEX. So gagawin natin mga destination, yung mga stopovers. Alright? Alright, let's go! Ingat po sa pag-drive, ha? Guys, load na ba tayo? So pipili lang kami movie and then manonood na kami. Alright guys, so ngayon nakapili namin ng movie sa wakas after 1 hour. So we'll watch a horror movie. Game. Guys, nakada. Okay, copy.
Tulog ka?
Okay, son.
Goodbye guys, that is for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.